Hi guys, welcome to kinkdiva. Today we're going to be installing expression reggae braids. Stay tuned and watch, learn and enjoy. Introducing expression collection reggae braids. It comes in various colors, but I decided to use color 2 and color 1 and 2 packs. A pack contains 2 bundles. In our hair into 4 places before we start, so we can be efficient while installing the reggae braids. So we're done parting our hair into 4 places. So what we're going to do right now is to install the reggae braids. We're putting 1 bundle on 1 part. I remember our pack has 2 bundles, so that makes it 4. Yeah, so a pack has 2 bundles, so we have 4 bundles altogether. We're going to put 1 bundle on a part of our hair. We have 4 parts. We've divided our hair into 4 parts, so we're going to put 1 bundle on 1 part. But before we start, we're going to collect 4 strands from a bundle for the back and add to that of the front. So we're going to have the back will be 4 strands less. Okay, if you know what I mean, 4 strands less, because your front hair is more. So what you want to do is take a strand of the dread, you bend it into half, make sure it's equal, and then you part your hair and you moisturize. You want to make sure you've moisturized your hair properly so that your hair will not have breakage or any of those stuff. So you make sure you moisturize your hair. You add some water and some moisturizer. That's it. So what you want to do is part your hair, divide it into 2, place the dread in between, and you weave. You take 1 part of the dread and you weave and leave the other part like she's holding it, like my sibling is holding. So you just weave and weave until you weave in all of your natural hair. You can see me doing it. That's it. You just weave in all of your natural hair, and when you've gotten to the tip, you then lock it. You lock it using, I use horse oil to lock mine, so you can use whatever you want, but I use horse oil to lock mine and it works very, very, very fine. And we're done. So I'm done with 1 section. I'm going to do the other 3 sections off camera and come back to show you guys how it is looking. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So this is what the hair is looking like. It's really nice, and I hope to carry this for quite a while. Hair looks really nice. Thank you guys for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you so much.